Welcome to the A-Level Finesse YouTube channel. If you're an A-Level student looking to decrease the amount of stress and workload and increase the amount of productivity so that you can get the best grades when you walk in on results day, then you've come to the right place. How do we do that? Well, if you look around this channel, there's a bunch of 6 to 8 minute videos, a lot of free content talking you through every single part of your biology and chemistry specifications. Why should you even listen to what we have to say? Well, for starters, me and my friend Hassan are actually experts in the field of biology and chemistry, and in fact, as of now, 2022, we were the last cohort to have done in-person exams. We know all the tips and tricks, we know all the shortcuts, we know the best ways to understand these concepts. Now, why should you continue sticking around? Well, we're not going to take your money from you. We don't want your money. You don't need to stick around. You can leave. You can leave. But if you have an ounce of logic in your head, you stick around for at least 5 to 10 minutes to see if you can get anything valuable from this page. Instagram and Facebook, link in the description.
The leaves are tumbling down September.